For all of time, men and women have been searching for answers to the problems that have plagued them. We stand at the dawn of this 21st century, and some of our biggest problems can actually be the smallest in size. I'd like to invite all of you to take a new look at a problem that has bothered us for a while. This information is free, so what have you got to lose?
Mom, do you mind if I talk to you for a minute?
Sure, I'm getting ready to run out. I'm gonna go see Susan. She's having another chemo today, another treatment.
Well, it's actually what I wanted to talk to you about.
About cancer?
I know you don't have a lot of time, but I really think that I should show you this before you go. By doing this, you create a milliamp of currents between your hands, and it right spins your fluid so it agrees with your molecular makeup. Let me just start at the beginning. I'm at the beach with Rocky. I think Rocky suggested that we take Zero down the boardwalk.
Wait, Zero?
Come on, Zero, let's get out of here.
Yeah, I guess a walk would be good.
At the beach when you're walking with the Chihuahua.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Have a seat here.
None for me, thanks, Dave.
How about you?
Water's good for me, thanks.
All right.
You have a nice place here. It's really cool.
Thank you. Well, I've lived here a while, 15 years in fact,
In Venice Beach here.
right here in Venice Beach.
What are you doing to that water?
I'm south-spinning it. Haven't you guys heard yet? That's where all the cancer's coming from. Let me explain. Insects rotate 180 degrees to the north in their molecular makeup. Humans rotate 180 degrees to the south in our molecular makeup. Just like the north side of the globe and the south side of the globe, the toilet water flushes two different directions, counterclockwise up here and clockwise down here. Do you understand that much of it? The fluids we drink every day are all forced through metal piping. It makes their electrons spin to the north. Ours spin to the south, the human electron. All the fluids we drink spin to the north as they're forced through the metal pipe. All these fluids we buy at the store, beer, soda pop, milk, wine, juices, and water, are spun 180 degrees to the north, which gives us cancer. Women, breast cancer. Men, prostate cancer.
Cancer is the second leading cause of death in the United States. Approximately 9 million Americans have died from cancer since the year 2000.
Okay, I would like a demonstration.
All right. 2 glasses. What I'm going to do is pour 1 glass of this cola, and then I'm going to south influence it, and then pour another glass of the cola, and you taste it and tell me if you can tell that there's a difference. You south spin it from whatever direction too. It doesn't matter, and you don't even have to touch the glass. What's required though is about 30 seconds, and then the fluid in the glass goes flat.
And there's like electricity going through here?
Right through the glass. I'm gonna fill the other glass with the regular soda pop. It just came out of the same bottle. You taste that one first.
Taste this one?
Taste a sip of that. Taste the fizzy as it goes down your
Okay,
tongue.
yeah.
Now taste this and tell me if it tastes the same.
Okay.
The same
The spun
carbonated
one.
effect.
It's definitely flatter. Wait, try this. It's definitely flatter. Taste it.
No, yeah, I've done it before.
This one spins to the
It
north,
seriously is.
and this one spins to the
Okay, wait.
south. This is the technique for spinning your fluids to the south. You touch 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3, to your thumb, just like this. So you make a circle through here. And this circle is the influencing factor when held against the other palm of your open hand. And you put your water glass right in between.
That's incredible. Okay, so can I try that? I want to see if it works.
Sure.
I want to see if I can conduct the
Electrical current.
Have
exactly.
the ability
Yeah,
Alright.
see if I can have it
to
up.
change the
Spin
currents.
Zero's head.
See if you can change the spin of the fluid.
Okay.
Pour the soda
So wait, is this the normal one, or am I actually going to spin this one?
You're going to spin this one.
Okay.
Now don't touch it.
Okay, I'm not
Just
touching.
3 fingers.
Okay, like
3 fingers. Straight across from it.
1, 2, 3.
Where's the magic wand here? Just so go straight across, right?
So it's open.
Now
Okay, I see
hold
what
it.
you mean.
Hold it there. Don't touch the glass. Abracadabra, Zalakazam, Presto Changeo. I know she can. There it goes. Watch. You'll see the bubbles part at the top. A little circle will form and they'll go out towards the edge. Taste
Okay.
it and see whether that's
See what you've done.
See what you've done, woman.
I'm gifted.
You're gifted
How did
now.
I do it? They can
And
just spin your
anyone
fluids
can
like
do-
that.
Anyone can do this. All mothers, do this to your children's fluids until they learn to do it. It is so important.
Over 1/2 million people are expected to die this year from cancer. That's over 1,500 a day.
In fact, Jesus, our brother, when he's standing up on the rock, pointing up at the sky like this,
Right.
he's not pointing up, he's trying to teach the 1, 2, 3 finger technique to all the people that are sitting in the grass around him, but look what they did to him. He wanted a crucifix. They wouldn't listen. But the facts are, the molten center of this planet is shrunken down to this size, and the gravity pull is this much, and nowadays, a 6th grader in Chicago, Illinois, has cancer, and they don't know what to tell him, how he got it. But it's the spin of the fluids he's been drinking ever since he was born.
Wow, that's definitely pretty impressive, I have to say.
So then, like, would people in Australia, do they drink right spun water?
No, they force their fluids through metal pipes also, so it spins to the north. So you see, that's where the cancer problem is coming in everyone's body all over the world. They're just drinking the wrong spun fluids. So to do it the right way, south spin your fluids, and you'll live a lot longer.
We probably got to get spinning ourselves. We got to go to the drum circle, but it was good to, it's
Rocky.
always wild, man.
Thank you, sir. Bring her.
It was a pleasure meeting you.
Amy, stop back and ask me any questions you have. I'd be glad to answer them for you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Have
Have a great day, guys.
Take
Have
it
a
easy,
good
man.
day.
You know, Amy, I want to hear all about this, and I don't mean to cut you off, but I'm really sorry, but I need to get going. Susan's waiting for me at the hospital, but my take is that, you know, if it helps people with cancer, go for it. I mean, it's horrible to be ill, and it's important to be healed. And if this helps and this heals, why not? So, I'll see you in a little while, all right?
Sounds good. I better get going too.
Okay.
I'll clean up. So when it comes down to it, in a world so full of options and ideas from every angle, could something so small solve so much? Try it and see. What have you got to lose?